Happy New Year, everybody! My name is Ma. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make Sichuan style chicken with chili sauce. Its Chinese name is 口水鸡. 口水 means saliva, 鸡 means chicken. Its literal translation is saliva chicken. The name sounds a bit disgusting. I think it's because people swallow hard when thinking about the chicken, so that's how its name's from. Although its name is a bit disgusting, the dish tastes very good. So let me show you how to make it. Here are all the ingredients: 1 kilo free-range chicken, a bunch of spring onion, a chunk of ginger, and garlic, dried Sichuan peppercorns, chili oil, light soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking wine, salt, caster sugar, sesame seeds, and some toothpicks. Almost forget, 1 cucumber. First, remove the bone from the chicken. Then roll the chicken. Then fasten it with toothpicks. Chickens are prepared. Prepare 3 spring onion and chop in half. Then a chunk of ginger and peel off the skin of the ginger. Then slice the ginger into pieces. Then add a handful of dried Sichuan peppercorns. Then add water into the pot. Then turn on the cooker. Once the water is boiling, and tune to medium heat and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the cooker, but keep the saucepan closed for another 8 minutes. At the same time, we can prepare a bowl of ice water. After chicken's done, move the chicken to the ice water. Then we are going to prepare the sauce. Prepare 1 spring onion, then chop the spring onion into small pieces. One garlic. First, remove the skin of the garlic. Chop the garlic into small pieces. Remove ginger skin, then chop the ginger into small pieces. Add 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add 3 tablespoons of chili oil. Add a pinch of salt. Add 3 teaspoons of caster sugar. Then mix all these ingredients. Now I'm going to make Sichuan peppercorn oil. Turn on the cooker. Once the frying pan is hot, add the cooking oil. Then add a big handful of dry Sichuan peppercorn. Once the color of dry Sichuan peppercorn turns darker and you can smell the strong fragrance of the Sichuan peppercorn, the Sichuan peppercorn oil is ready. Then add the Sichuan peppercorn oil into the sauce we just made. Then add the big Sichuan peppercorns into the sauce. Then the sauce is ready. Now I'm going to smash a cucumber. Just use cleaver to smash it. Then chop the cucumber into small sections. Then add some sauce into the cucumber. Then mix the sauce with the cucumber. After around half hour, the chicken cooled down in ice water. Take the chicken out from the water. Then use the kitchen paper to absorb the water of the chicken. Then take out the toothpicks. Then slice the chicken into pieces. Then add the sauce on the chicken. And last, add some sesame seeds. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like my video, please follow, comment, subscribe me. See you next time.